Hello student, today we are discuss about the structure of intelligent agent. In previous class we have studied about the intelligent agent. Now we have discussed about the structure of intelligent agents. So that are the basic contents. Here we have discussed basics of structure of intelligent agent. They're simple reflex agents, model based reflex agent, goal based agents, utility based agents, piece representation and piece for the some examples self-driving car, other examples for the piece. Peace queries, the numerical problems related to peace is mostly occurred in the university examinations. So you must prepare how you can compute the peace for a particular example. Now from basics, we start the agent structure. Agent structure divided into three parts. First one is the agent, then architecture, then agent program. The agent is the combination of architecture plus agent program. So agent structure can be viewed as agent is equal to a architecture plus agent program. Architecture is the where architecture is the machinery that an agent executes on. That is the machinery part. Agent program and independent implementation of agent function. The agent program is the implementation of agent function, where agent function is the used to map the percept to an action. That is the FP goes to action. A. Simple reflex agent. Simple reflex agent. They choose the action only based on the current percept. They are rational only if the correct decision is made only on the basis of current percept. Their environment is completely observable. Condition action rule. It is a rule that maps a state condition to an action. That is the environment in right hand side, left hand side the environment, right hand side the agent. uh, Agent perceives the queries or information data from the environment through sensors. How is the world like now, what action need to do, then condition action rules they follow, and they have resolved the queries by and showing the queries results in the through effectors in the environment. Model based reflex agents, they use a model of the word to choose their actions. They maintain an internal state model, knowledge about how the things happen in the world. Internal states, it is a representation of unobserved aspects of current state depending on perceived history. Updating the state requires the information about how the world involves, how the agent's actions affect the world. The graphical representation, left hand side the environment is same, then right hand side the agent is there. They perceive the information through sensors. And how is the world like now? Here the whatever the states are, the how world evolves, then what my actions do. Then they have found what action I need to do. My condition action rule, then effectors showing the results to the environment. Next one is the goal-based agent. Goal-based agents, they choose their actions in order to achieve goals. Goal-based approach is more flexible than reflex agents since the knowledge supporting in a decision is explicitly modeled, thereby allowing for modification. Goal, it is the descriptions of desirable situations. Similarly, left hand side environment and right hand side the agents is there. They have perceived the information through sensors. How is the world like now? The state of world, how world evolves, then how world evolves also included in the what happens if I do the particular action, then what my action do, then the procedure is what action I need to do, that is the goal. That goals by solving this goes to the factors to the environments. Next one is the utility based agent. They choose action based on the preference utility for each state. Goals are inadequate when there are conflicting goals out of which only few can be achieved. Goals have some uncertainty of being achieved, and you need to weigh likelihood of success against the importance of a goal. That is the graphical representation, and left hand side the environment, right hand side the agent. They have perceived the information through sensors, resolving the problem. How is the word like from state of word, how words evolves, how words evolve also involved in the what happens if I do that particular actions A, then what my action do, if then what my action do. They have again go to next state, how happily I am by doing action A. That is the utility. Then what action I need to do? That the action performed through showing to the environment by factors. Now that is very important topics in that particular units. Peace. Peace is situated is a type of model on which an artificial intelligence agent works upon. When we define an AI agent or rational agent, then we can group its properties under peace. Representation model. It is made of four words. PEAS. Four words are there. Peace. P stands for the performance measure, E for the environment, A for actuators, S for sensor. Here performance measure is the objective for the success of an agent's behavior. So that is very important topic, peace. P for performance measure, E for environments, A for actuators, S for sensor. We are using one example for with peace for self-driving car. Let's suppose a self-driving car, then peace representations will be, that is a self-driving car, there is no need for the drivers, they have drive self in the roads. Performance in self-driving car is the safety, time, family, safety, legal drive, and comfortable drive. Environment is that roads, in particular which road the car is driving, other vehicles which the self-driving car interacted, and road signs, the signs of road, that is left move, right move, and other that are the signs. Then pedestrians. Actuators are steering, accelerator, brake, signal, horn, that are the actuators. And last one is the sensor. Sensor is the cameras, GPS, speedometer, odometer, accelerometer, sonar sensors, that is used for the sounds. That are the P's for the self-driving car. Similarly, other examples of agents with their piece represents a medical diagnosis. In medical diagnosis, the performance measure is the healthy, patients, minimize the cost. The in medical diagnosis, the environment is the patients, hospital, staffs, actuators are test and treatments, and sensors are keyboards, entry of the symptoms. That is the piece of medical diagnosis. Similarly, piece for the vacuum cleaner, the performance measure is the cleanness, efficiency, battery life, security, and environments for vacuum cleaner is the room, table, wood floor, carpet, various outlets where you clean the vacuum. And the actuators for vacuum cleaner is wheels, brushes, and vacuum extractor. Similarly, sensors for vacuum cleaner is the cameras, detections sensor, cliff sensor, bump sensors, infrared valve sensors. Next example for part picking robot. Performance measure for part picking robot is percentage of parts in correct bins. Similarly, environments for part picking robots, conveyor belt with parts, bins, and actuators for part picking. Robot is joint arms, hand, and sensors is cameras, joint angles sensors. That is the yeah. Thank you, students. Now today we are discussing the structure of intelligence agents. Thank you.